The most dangerous lie you've ever told yourself is that you have time. While you wait for the right moment, your potential is being liquidated by delay. Success isn't a gift, it's an architectural feat. 3,000 years ago, a man named Nehemiah took a city from ruins to a fortress in just 52 days. He didn't use luck, he used a protocol. If you are standing at zero, or if you feel like your life is a pile of rubble, the erosion stops today. Master these 6 specific things, and you become a mathematical certainty for success. The world doesn't reward good intentions. It rewards structural integrity. Nehemiah's first move wasn't to build, it was to inspect. He went out at night, in total secrecy, and audited the broken walls, Nehemiah 2:12. He saw the ash for what it was. Jim Rohn famously said, "You must learn to handle the winter. You cannot fix what you are too afraid to face." The action. Stop lying about your bank account, your health, and your habits. Audit your ruins tonight. Until you name the damage, you cannot lay the first stone. Before Joseph was a prime minister, he was a slave in Potiphar's house. But he didn't have a slave's mind. He managed that house as if he owned the deed. He mastered the law of the signet ring, becoming so competent that the master handed him the keys. Andrew Carnegie noted that the man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Master the level you are at today, and the next level will find you. Nehemiah's builders faced constant threats. His solution? Each man worked with one hand and held a weapon in the other. Nehemiah 4:17. In 2026, your enemies are distractions and self-doubt. You must learn to build your future, while simultaneously defending your focus. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Joseph's success was built on a 14-year vision. He stored 20% of the harvest during the years of plenty to own the world during the famine. Proverbs 13:4 tells us, "The soul of the diligent is richly supplied." Stop consuming everything you earn, whether it's time or money. Sacrifice your now to buy your forever. Build your storehouse before the famine arrives. A wall is useless if the gates are left open to anyone. Nehemiah appointed gatekeepers and gave them a strict order. Do not open the gates until the sun is hot. Your life is being wasted because your gates are wide open to toxic people and shallow thoughts. Success is defined by what you refuse to allow in. Protect your environment like it's the last fortress on earth. Nehemiah finished the wall in 52 days. The Bible says that when his enemies saw it, they lost their confidence because they realized the work was done with the help of God. Your results are the only argument that matters. Stop talking about your plans and start showing your walls. When you stop wasting your life and follow the protocol, your success becomes a beacon of what is possible. The blueprint is in your hands. Now, go build.